This is how you can quickly format your table in Excel. You put your cursor anywhere on your dataset table here and you press Alt+O+A, and then it'll give you this auto format pop-up window here. You can select any format you want. You can actually scroll down and see different types that you have. I'm gonna go ahead and select, say, this one here and click OK, and it will automatically format your table for you in a very nice fashion. And as you can see, by default the auto format is not accessible in any of your ribbon or your quick access toolbar. However, if you like to add auto format in your quick access toolbar, this is how you do it. First you go to File, and then you go Options, and then in here the Excel options, you click on Quick Access Toolbar. If you want to add the auto format on your ribbon, you just click on this and follow the same steps here. You're gonna go ahead and do a pull down here. On the pull down you say All Commands, and then you're gonna scroll down a few times and look for auto format, this one here. Once you find it, click on Add and it should appear right here, and click OK. Now you can see an icon appears on your quick access toolbar here. Now if you click on it, the auto format pop-up is accessible via your quick access toolbar.